Assalamualaikum. This is Bushra Saeed from Happy Palace Group of Schools, Grade 4. Slide 2. The topic is decimals. Slide 3. We started from how to convert fractions to decimals. We have a fraction 2/10. This is the 10th place, so 2 needs to be in the 10th place. In fractions, it is 2/10, and in decimals it is 0.2. We have another example 23/100, in which 2 at the 10th place and 3 at the 100th place, and it is 0.23. Slide 5. One more example is 567/1000. This is the 1000th place, so 7 needs to be in the 1000th place, and in decimals it is 0.567. One more example 4000th. This is the 1000th place, so 4 needs in the 1000th place, and in decimals it is 0.004. Slide 7. Now we have some questions. Place value number in front of decimals. Example number 1. 3 whole 567/1000. This is the 1000th place, so the 7 needs to be in the 1000th place. It is 3.567. Slide 9. How to convert fractions into decimal as 24 whole 34/1000. This is the 1000th place, so 4 needs be in the 1000th place. 24.034. Slide 10. Now we are simplifying the fractions by base 10. Slide 11. We have 3 examples. First one is 0.4 is a decimal number. First we write in fractions, so it is 4/10. Now we simplify it by dividing 2. So we get 2/5. Another example 0.35. In fraction it is 35/100. Again we are going to simplify it by dividing it to 5. So its simplified form is 7/20. Last example 7/20. 7 whole 28/100. Now we simplify it by dividing the fraction 2. So 7 whole 7/20. Now we further divided by it 2. So it is 7 whole 7/25. Again we are converting fraction by changing into decimal 10. Okay. First is 0.8. So it is 8/10. Now we simplify by dividing 2. 4/5. 0.4. So in fraction it is 4/10. Now we simplify it by dividing 2. So it is 2/5. One example, and now the next one is 0.35. In fraction it is 35/100. It is not in the simplest form. Now we are going to simplify it by dividing 5. So it is 7/20. The third example is 7.28. 7 is the whole number and 28/100 is the fraction. Now 28/100 is a fraction, and we simplify it by dividing 2. So we get 7 whole 14/50. Again, it is not the simplified form. Further, we divide it by 2. So, we get the final answer 7 whole 7 upon 25. Next example is 0.8. 8 upon 10 is equal to 4 upon 5. We divided by 2. The next example is 0.04. 4 upon 100. We divide by 2 and we get 2 upon 50. Again, it is not the simplified form and we again simplifying by dividing 2. So, the final answer is 1 upon 25. 3.36. 3 is a whole number and 36 upon 100 is a fraction. So, we change the fraction in the simplest form by dividing it 2. So, we get 3 whole 18 upon 50. Next one is 3 whole 9 upon 25. Slide number 13. We have a practice number 1 and we have some questions. The first one is state whether the following statements are true or false. We have 3 options and then we simplify it either which one is true or false. Next is write vertically and then solve. The first one is 4 plus 0.03 plus 0.3 plus 7.9. Next is 189.0 multiplied by 9. Slide number 14. Practice 2. Fill in the boxes with greater, smaller or equal. Again, we have 4 options and you have to put the greater, smaller or the equal signs in the given boxes. Next question is shade the diagram on the right according to the given fraction. And we have a fraction 6 upon 10. We have a bar in which 10 equal parts. You have to shade 6 out of the 10 boxes. Next one is write the given fraction as decimal. We have a fraction 134 upon 10. So you have to write it in decimals. Next sum is arrange the numbers in the given order. First one is arrange number in descending order and next part B is arrange the given number in ascending order. This is your practice number 3. Write the correct decimal on the blank line next to the each letter. First one is already solved. The first part is A and it is 0.2. Now you have to complete part B, C, D, I, K, H and K in the given time number line. Thank you.